How to fix incompatible Windows setting error in BlueStacks. So well, if you're facing this problem, then there are two ways which you can fix your problem, right? So for example, first of all, you have to just go to your start, right? Just take your mouse and right click on it, and here you will get an option of run, right? So here this is a temp, so you have to just type temp and just type on OK, right? And here you will find all the files. Just select each and everything and just make sure to delete it, right? So once you delete it, don't worry about this because these are just a temporary useless files, so it's fine if you delete them, right? It's just rubbish, or you can just you don't need it. Then again you have to just go to run, and again in place of temp you have to add percentage sign at the end as well as at the start of the temp. Again just click on OK. Now from here you have to delete, same thing, you have to just repeat the same steps. You have to delete each and every file. If you see that you're not able to delete some of the files, don't worry, you have to just skip those files, right? So usually at the when the deleting is going on, at the end of every delete you will find some of the files which you will not able to delete them, right? So that's fine. You have to just select it and just click on skip, right? And yeah, right, so this will just remove all the waste files, and make sure you just remove from empty recycle bin, and it will remove all the useless files from your PC, right, or laptop. And after that you have to go to the search bar, and in the search bar you have to just go to the BlueStack. So let's say this is a BlueStack, right? You have to just right click on it, and you will find the option of run as administrator. So once you click on run as administrator, it will ask you, so you have to just click on allow or yes, and after that BlueStack will get open in your laptop or PC, and then it will run perfectly fine. If you still face this problem, then you have to just restart your laptop or PC, and you have to repeat these steps, right? Just go to your your BlueStack, right click on it, and just click on run as administrator, and then your problem will get fixed forever. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.